Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about Friday's whispers. So we were having lots of bank earnings on Friday. JP Morgan, if you recall, right, we were bearish below 68.70. We spotted refreshing there in the morning. And you can see right as it opened up, this thing dropped down. Wow, it dropped down over $1, down to 67.30. Still bearish on JP Morgan. Also, Wells Fargo. This was my big winner on Friday. We were bearish below 45, and you can see this thing came all the way down to about 44.30. Still trading below the 45 level, so still bearish on this one. Also, Bank of America, this one shook me out a little bit. I lost about 3 pennies on this. I was bullish above 620. You can see it had a little shake up and then could not hold on to that level. So Bank of America came out with earnings this morning. I'm going to talk about that in just a bit, but I got to talk about the trader of the day on Friday. His name is Ron. We call him the Wizard of Wall Street. Thank you, Ron, for your unbelievable call-outs all week long, really, and you rocked it on Friday. Fantastic. This guy makes like 300% ROI on his options. So thank you so much for all those great call-outs in the room. Really appreciate it. Also, we were watching FCX on Friday. We were watching that 950 level, right? That was a massive level, and we spotted a really big print actually on Friday. 1 million shares at $9.85. All right, so as long as it stays below 9.85, going to be bearish on FCX. We spotted buying at 950 the other day, so we're kind of stuck in between these levels. All right, if we break down below 950, this thing has a lot more downside potential. So Bank of America came out with earnings this morning, and we spotted ARCA selling up here at 16.35. He was refreshing, and then they pulled it down, and we spotted buying again, right? That 16.15 level, there was a 50,000 share print there. So, we're still watching this. It's kind of been a tug of war. This is something that I would give a little bit of room in the morning, but if we close below 16, and I don't care if the earnings are good or bad, if we close below 16, that's going to be extremely bearish. If we close above 16.37, then I'll become a raging bull on Bank of America. So that's how we're going to trade it. Also, we spoke about on Friday those dark pool area, the 214.24 area on the SPY. Well, that's exactly where we came up and rallied to in the morning. Could not hold it, pulled back down. We spotted 7.5 million dark pool prints on Friday at 213. So that's going to be the level that we're going to be watching on the SPY today. Also, a lot of volume coming in on AMD this morning, right? So this is a trade that I would be only bullish if we could break above 7, but I want you to see right here, I'm going to circle it, there's a big seller on my ECN book at 720. So watch that on the upside, and bearish below 7 on that. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.